Hi, it's me, Sir Hendrik, again from Hendrik Academy. This video is a continuation discuss of the previous video regarding questions and answer of pure math. In this video, I will discuss 4 questions and answer. As usual, before we start this lesson, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And afterwards, take your pen and your notebook. Let's study with me. All right, now we're going to begin with number 1. Factorize 9m squared minus 7n squared. Some students told me that, sir, we cannot factorize these expressions because 7, yeah, square root of 7 is how much? So I think that there is no problem. How to factorize this expression is very, very simple. Just like this, square root 9 is 3, so 3m minus square root 7n. Okay, times 3m plus square root 7n. This is the solution. Very simple. Okay. Next, 9a raised 8 minus 9. How to factorize this? Also very, very simple. Firstly, we need to separate 9 from from this expression. Become 9 times a raised 8 minus 1. Okay, and afterwards we will factorize a raised 8 minus 1. Okay, how to factorize? So simple as well. 9, okay, a raised 8 minus 1, we could factorize, become a raised 4 plus 1 times a raised 4 minus 1. Please check. If you calculate, if you multiply a raised 4 plus 1 and a raised 4 minus 1, you're going to find these expressions. Okay, next, you're going to continue to factorizing this one. Okay, become 9 times a raised 4 plus 1 times, we're gonna factorizing these expressions, become a squared, okay, plus 1 times a squared minus 1. Simple. Next, now you're gonna factorizing these expressions. So become 9 a raised 4 plus 1, okay, multiply by a raised 2 or a squared plus 1, multiply by a plus 1, multiply a minus 1. Okay, so this is the factorizations of these expressions. All right, now we're gonna move to the next slide. Find other factors if x plus 1 is a factor of fx to x cubed plus p x squared plus 10x plus 3. All right, I'm going to use corner method because these expressions, these functions factor is x plus 1. It means the remainder, if this function is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 0. So negative 1 here. If x plus 1, it means negative 1 here. And now the coefficients of x cubed is 2. The coefficients of x squared, p. Coefficients of x, 10. Okay, and the coefficient, the constant number, 3. Okay, plus here. Now 2 plus 0, 2. And negative 1 times 2, negative 2 here. P plus negative 2 equal P minus 2. Negative 1 times P, negative P. Negative 1 times negative 2 plus 2. Negative P plus 12. Negative 1 times negative P equal P. Negative 1 times 12, negative 12. And the remainder, P minus 9. Okay, so it means P minus 9 equals 0. Why equals 0? Because recall that these functions, if divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 0, because x plus 1 is a factor of this function. Okay, if p equal 9, if p minus 9 equals 0, it means p equal 9. Okay, if p equal 9, it means this quotient, okay, this quotient can be 2, okay, 9 minus 2 equals 7, and this one become negative 9 plus 12 become positive 3. Okay, I will using Horner method again. By trial and error, I got a number, and that number is negative 3. 2 here, okay, negative 3 times 2, negative 6. Yeah, 1 here, because 7 plus negative 6. And negative 3 times 1, negative 3. And the remainder is 0. It means the factors of this function is, first this one, x plus 1, okay. Secondly, this one, x plus 3. And the last is this one, 2x plus 1. Okay, so there are 3 factors of this function, while p equal 9. Right, this one, find the remainder and quotient. If 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 3. Not divided by, it means if divided by x minus 3, the remainder, oh yeah, find the remainder. Okay, we're going to find the remainder and quotient if this function is divided by x minus 3. I'm going to use Horner method. x minus 3, it means 3 here, positive. The coefficients of x cubed 2, the coefficients of x squared negative 5, coefficients of x equal 4, and constant number 3. 2 here, 3 times 2, 6, 1 here, 3 times 1, 3, becomes 7, 21, and the remainder 24. So remainder is 24, and quotient, and the quotient is 2x squared plus 1x plus 7. And this is the equations, and the remainder 24. 24 is remainder. Okay. Next, find the range of these functions fx 3x squared minus 4x plus 5, and the interval of x negative 3 till positive 3. Very simple. Firstly, we need to submit negative 3 into this function. If we submit, become 3 times the negative 3 squared minus 4 times negative 3 plus 5 equal 27 plus 12 plus 5. 27 plus 17 equal 44. Yeah, 44. And afterwards, submit positive 3 into these functions, become 3 times 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 5. Gonna be 27 minus 12 plus 5 equal 20. Yeah, so range, the interval range is, the interval range equal fx greater than n equal, greater n equal 44. Okay, and smallest n equal 20. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Yeah, this is the range of these functions. Okay, students, I think it's so very simple actually to learn pure math. If you have any questions and maybe you not yet understand my explanations, you could send me your message through my email, hendrik.academy21@gmail.com. Thank you for your watching. See you